are going to review, another GoBot, and I would just like to say a thumbs up because somebody liked my video, and a special thanks to you. And I would like to go to review her. She is a Blackbird spy plane. It's a spy plane. She is a renegade spy. That's in her name. And I would just want to say that I would still recommend this toy. I would still recommend any GoBot. But I forget her name. So yeah. But she's very heavy. She's full of metal, and I just got her today. She's out of order. You can't buy her anymore. I bought the last one. They're going to discontinue. So if you want her or you want Screwhead, you gotta go on eBay. It might be original there and not the new one, but at least it's something. So let's get on with it. Woo! So he's very hard to transform. Usually my dad does it. He's over there. So she's a very nice toy. She's very heavy though, so I like her. She's very well made, just like Screwhead. Her head pops off when you try to get this down, the nose cone. Her head does pop off.
Yeah, it popped off.
Yeah, you don't put too much force on it,
yes.
Or it will pop off.
Yes.
It's not on a double hinge like most Transformers.
It actually does have a double hinge. It's just everything's kind of tight right
now.
now.
You gotta on double hinge it and just push.
Remember, if you can't see it in there, the people can't see it.
Yeah, so you just gotta on double hinge it and push it down very gently so the head doesn't pop off.
How about I go up and get Overlord so you can do a comparison, since it is jet form, it is based off the same U2 spy plane design.
So, like I said, somebody did comment on my video. That's my sister, just an her. And I forget the name of her YouTube channel, but again, I just want to give a very special thanks to you. Thumbs up. I like what you did. I watched a little bit of your video, so it was actually really good. So my dad's bringing down Overlord. He's a jet and a tank. You have to kind of split the legs apart to get the tank and the plane. But he's taking down the plane. See, you have to kind of transform him. Here. I got it.
Alright, here you go.
Gotta take the gun off for the tank. Here's the gun. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to transform him. First, split the legs apart.
Well, take the lower body off.
Yep, take the lower body.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Gonna lift this up. Lift this down. Of course, fold the hands in. Same thing for the other one. Gotta fold this up, fold them up, and fold this down, and flip the hand in. See, starts off like this, so you gotta kind of lift this out, lift this up, and then lift this out, and lift
Oh, don't forget to
this up.
slide in.
Yeah, you gotta slide in the arms, and then you gotta tab them in. They're already tabbed in, so. And
there we go. There we go.
And it's pretty easy.
There you go.
And there he is in jet form. This is his tank form, if you want to see.
How about we do a comparison?
Yeah, this is the comparison.
Alright, you want to swap them? That way they can see the backs. Here, I'll hold them. As you can see, they're both based on the same design. Although he's more fantasy oriented, she's more realistic.
Yes, but they come from two different genres. He's Transformer. He is Gobot. He's a Decepticon. She's a Renegade. They're both bad, but they just have different names. Because this is the Decepticon symbol, if you can see it. That's the Decepticon symbol. It's somewhere. It's on this arm. Might be a little bright, but that's the Decepticon symbol. They don't really have the Renegade. They don't have a Renegade symbol for her. But yeah.
Now on the packaging, when I was growing up, the Guardian Gobots always had a sun coming up behind them, and it was bright orange and yellow. And the Guardians were always kind of like at night, and there was a lightning bolt coming down. Move, Tara. Right there.
So.
But that was just on the packaging. It was never on the toy.
Yeah. So, in one episode, she was at Renegade.
You want me to transform that?
Yeah. She was at Guardian headquarters. They didn't really know that she was a Renegade spy. So they wanted her how to race. And then Scooter found out that she was talking to Sidekill, her boss. And he found out that she was a Renegade, and he shot him. And yes, so, and that. And then she went out lying. Yeah, she's very sneaky. She's sneaky. Him, yeah, he's not that very sneaky. You can hear him coming. But Transformers are big, they're hard to break. Well, they're easy to break because they have no metal in them. But I have one Headmaster that has full metal.
Two, because Rodimus.
Yeah, two. Rodimus.
Alright, here she is.
Woo! There she is. There is the Renegade Spy.
And she does come with
a stand, two guns,
and a stand.
Oh, you need to.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the two guns. I'm not sure what they shoot. Are they machine guns or what? Comment down below, and if you have her, comment on what type. How fast do they shoot? Or are they a type of machine gun? Or they a Gobot machine gun? Comment down below.
Okay, and here's the.
There's the stand. There's the stand. You can also stand her up and do her action poses. And Daddy, can you get that?
Sure.
Yes, I am doing this from home. So I'm sorry for the background.
Okay.
So make sure you give a thumbs up and do all that.
Oh, and I would just like to say thank you to Mia from Miaspage from liking our last video and saying nice things about Josh. Like I said, her channel is called Mia's channel.
Make sure you go to it and give a thumbs up to her.
Okay. Oh, hold on. Still working. Still working.
Yeah, I already gave her a lot of stuff, but I like
Okay.
most YouTubers do. They give them a lot of credit.
Okay.
So
There you go.
thank you.
Whoa.
Whoa! She doesn't stand really nicely on her base mode.
That I will say that is
But-
one problem.
Ah!
Nothing tabs in extremely well, and she does tend to fall out.
I have my sister's transforming.
Yep, Laserbeak.
Laserbeak! I have like I said in my last video, I have 130 something Transformers, but I only have 3 Gobots, and they're all Renegades. So,
Oh, you said the next one you want's Blaster, so.
yes, the next one I want is Blaster. He is a Guardian. He's not going out of discontinued, so if you want him, you can buy him
At Big Bad
at
Toy
Toy
Store.
Store.
www.bigbadtoystore.com. Okay.
Hey.
Is there anything else you want to say?
Yes. If you want to see any more toy reviews, make sure you comment that,
Okay.
please.
All right. Now, what's your favorite things about her?
I like her that she turns into a jet.
Her jet mode is very nice. It's super
yes,
realistic.
I only have her that transforms into a plane.
Is there anything you don't like about her? Any issues that you have?
Yes, the issue is her head. It keeps popping off. When you try to transform her, her head pops off, but it doesn't pop off when you're transforming her into a robot.
I personally don't like the fact that her connection to her base isn't that secure. She keeps falling off.
Yes.
But other than that, the sculpt looks great. You have
a nice looking face sculpt.
You have bicep swivel,
Just a heads up.
shoulder 360, legs, feet, very articulate. You even have a waist swivel.
And also a heads up, if you don't like it, plus these do come from Japan, so yeah, but it comes from Dakara.
No. Action Toys make these.
Yeah,
Takara makes Transformers.
Yeah, the Action Toys, and they do have very nice Gobots there.
Okay, so you want to wrap this up?
Woo! Yep.
Alrighty.
Bye, everybody.
Bye bye.